boys I'm going to ride today, it looks like. Okay, so today, oh my goodness, somebody's definitely been using the tires. Wow. Rocking the MT-09 Looks like it's killed a few bugs. Let's see what this is like to get going. From Alan Duffus Motorcycles. Okay. Okay, so this one is coming with the Acropovic exhaust. Height-wise, quite easy to flat foot this at the moment on here. Got it in street mode. Yeah, that sounded pretty good. Okay, kickstand up. Oh wow, yeah. Okay, gear, very easy to get in gear. Check. Okay, finding foot positions, interesting. Oh, need to sort those. That's better. Okay, indicator. No, nope. Woo! Okay, needing to find out all these places. Okay, so we're right here. And now we're into first gear. Easy peasy. Wait, oh, it's light. Okay, so feet definitely feel like they're tucked up and underneath me. So I've got to get used to that. Tank is nice and wide, so very easy to grip with the legs. Very easy to accelerate away from everyone. And into the town of Kirkcaldy. Okay, I haven't quite figured out. So the indicator. Okay, the indicator. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, got it. I'm told. And very good for just getting through traffic like that. Okay. Oh, look at the day it is today. Oh, rougher race. Okay, trying the quick shifter. Updating. Oh, just at 30 miles an hour into third gear. That was easy enough. Oh, this is actually very comfortable. Okay, I'm liking this. I will go nice and slowly. Can we go into fourth gear at 40 miles an hour? We can. Hello. That was easy enough. Oh, the brakes are shit hot. Again, coming from my Triumph Bobber, where you have to absolutely slam on the brakes. These brakes are these are sports bike brakes. They're good. Oh! Now this is not the SP version, so this is the basic suspension, but it's oh shit! Those brakes! Fuck! You've got to totally readjust your braking dexterity with this. Oh yeah, brilliant! Traffic lights, just absolutely no probs getting the feet down on the ground. Okay. Okay, let's do this one. Down shit. Okay, get a little bit of an idea of its speed here. Okay, from 10 miles an hour up the way. 3. From 10. Wow. Jingle bells. So right, this is the MT-09. The Yamaha MT-09 it's got somewhere around about 120 horsepower when you're at the top. The torque is brilliant. The comfort is really good. It's really quite comfortable. It is encouraging me to go fast. It feels a little bit wobbly for me at tops, like accelerating hard. I was like, oh, this is getting a wee bit shaky. Maybe it's my aerodynamics or something. But that is, this is an absolute danger machine. This is something which is encouraging me to definitely push my ability here. Yeah, just get a little test ride on it. You don't really get a huge understanding of it. But holy shit, the power is plenty. Yeah, that is plenty powered up. I've got the MT-10 after this, and I can't see any reason for somebody of my level of riding ability to need anything more than this. Sound wise, it's pretty good. I'm not really noticing the sound from there. Everyone says, oh, the audio enhancers or something like that. So I've got the Akropovich exhaust on. Again, not really hearing a huge amount of that, but I am coming from a Triumph bobber, which is very, very loud. But yeah, if we turn it on and we have a little listen to the exhaust, can we just start up in neutral? Yeah. Nice, revving up to like 10,000 RPM. Okay, let's give it a little ride again. It's fun, it's really fun. And it's very approachable, is probably the best way to describe it. It just feels quite easy, just get on, you're not way up in the air, you're not massively leaning forward or anything. But yeah, quite good. Certainly once I got used to the foot positions, but I am coming from a completely different bike. And it's got a nice weight, but the brakes are strong, probably the best way to describe it. Okay, let's get going. Okay, nice and easy. And quick shifter. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, really funny. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god. Right. Okay. Okay, so as with all these things, there's very little you can really tell from a 1 hour test ride. But first impressions and experience of what this is clearly capable of doing is nuts. Third gear up to 800 something miles an hour, clearly on a private enclosed road that I was doing that on. Yep. That's dangerously encouraging to do all sorts of illegal activities. Brilliant. Now everyone kind of goes on about this triple engine, this CP3, and yeah, it's all right, but like the way everyone goes on about it, I thought it was going to be louder. Where I guess having an aftermarket exhaust might be more beneficial. But let's just hear it again. Yeah, it's got some juice, that's for sure. This very much reminds me of the Honda CB1000R. Just the way this is really encouraging me to go a little bit fruitier on the road. So yeah, it's all good. Check out this boy here. That's a nice one, nice. Oh, that sounded good. Shoulder check, all good. And the quick shifter up and down, yeah, taking that. It's definitely better than the Kawasaki H2's quick shifter, I think. But anyway, let's give it another little bit of juice. It's got cruise control as well. Yeah, again, cruise control on this is quite good. That was pretty easy to set. Just press cruise control button and press down for set. I wonder if I can go up this way. No. But it might be like, oh yeah, pressing up makes it cruise control a little bit faster. There again. Yeah, like that. Then cruise control button, press again, turn it off. Okay, that works. Oh yeah. Okay, so from this little ride that I've done, quick thoughts on this bike. Well, it's another extremely capable bike, very confidence-inducing. I definitely want to get it so the suspension is a little bit more set up, because there was that road I was on, had a few bumps on it, and just the front felt a little bit jiggly at some points, or maybe it's just a very light front. Maybe that's what it is, because I even just do this little bum jiggle, it jiggles around quite a bit. So maybe that's more about its agility. It's quite an agile bike. Looks wise, I think I like the SP more because it's got cooler colours. This grey is not doing it for me. I'm a bit of a magpie. I like shiny things. So maybe a slightly different colour. The information display, absolutely fine. Never looked at it. Clutch feels good. Rear brake feels good. Front brake feels very sensitive. But that's coming from what bike I was using for myself. And sound, actually, I think the sound is actually getting better. That was a bit shit. I think I was just deaf from my own motorbike. So when I got this, I couldn't actually hear it, because it's actually just, my bike is just so bloody loud at the moment. So yeah, I think the sound from this, granted this is with the proper exhaust, does sound good. And his manners around town are lovely. Like, I'm putting my butt at the back of the seat just now, and it's a comfy butt sitting position, quite high up. But yeah, my feet are, what is good, my feet are tucked out up behind me, or a little bit tucked out behind me compared to what I'm used to. But it's not been uncomfortable. I haven't got like a dead butt feeling. I haven't got too much weight on my wrists or my hands or anything. So for I'm 181 centimeters. So for my height, this feels absolutely fine. And clutch control, quite easy to get hold of in this as well, just doing this. So yeah. And the quick shifter was good, up and down. This is a very good bike. Or at least, certainly the engine is great. Like that, the speeds that, so this can easily get up to over 100 and something in third gear. So you really don't ever need to come out in third gear. But yeah, the comfort, oh my god, the comfort going over the speed bumps here compared to my bike. Ah, that's glorious. And yeah, confidence inspiring and overtaking other cars there and stuff. So big thumbs up for the MT-09. But and the big but is I'm about to go try out the MT-10, the big brother, the inline 4, the one with 170 horsepower, 50 horsepower more than this. Already I'm thinking I don't even know what I'm going to test ride it, because this has got all the power that you could ever need. This already has infinite power, at least for me and my riding ability and skill. So yeah, I think riding the MT-10 is going to be a big willy waving experience. Hey, I've got a big boy bike, but is it actually a better bike? Because it looks like I can actually really develop from this bike, and the MT-10 might just be too much bike. And let's get back to the shop. Oh, so comfortable for the imperfections in the road. Love it. Okay, here we are. Time to park. And there's nowhere to park. Maybe I'll park further up. Oh wow, that's me in second gear. Nice. Okay, it's neutral, very easy to get neutral as well. Love it. Bit of my thoughts. Loved it. Amazing. Brakes, great. Sound, good. Power, great. The quick shifter, fantastic. Torque,
really good. Just colours. Just, I think, colours in this kind of area, I think I like something a wee bit more tarty. So, the other bikes, the Tracer 9, I think, actually, Tracer, I think suits this engine and this power and this everything more. I like the idea of that. MT-07, the Tenere, the R7, now that just, this one looks amazing with a Kropovich, oh wow, that just looks awesome. However, body position shape, I can't fit on that. That just doesn't do it for me. And Tracer 9 GT, this one's got some more pretty colours. And then there's a Bob. What about this one? 6R 900 XSR 900 GP. That one has all the shiny bits. But the handlebars look too much. It's quite a high height at the back as well. Let's see. Can I get? Oh, you bings. But yeah, actually a pretty easy position to be on. Oh, it's kind of shiny white. It's not just white, it's pearlescent. Far too much for me. Far too much. Far too aggressive a riding style compared to this. Boom.